Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2021 Chevrolet Traverse. This vehicle is featuring gray metallic paint with alloy rims. We have rear privacy tint, power liftgate, backup camera, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and heated steering wheel. Onto the interior now of the Traverse. On our door panel we have our chrome door handle, window and mirror controls, as well as our speaker, liftgate controls, storage, and power seat controls and lumbar support. Our lighting controls, gauge cluster with screen, multifunction leather wrapped and heated steering wheel. We have our push start, infotainment screen with backup camera. You can see it folds up to reveal plenty of storage room behind. Dual zone climate controls and heated seats for the front passengers. Charging outlets underneath, as well as a storage compartment for our phone. Our gear selection stock, cup holders, all-wheel drive controls, and electric park brake. And we have our padded leather center console lid with copper stitching. That copper stitching continues into our seats, which are featured in black fabric and gray fabric in the lower portion. And once again, these are heated, power adjustable with lumbar support. And above our rear view mirror, we have OnStar controls and reading lights. Now back onto the exterior, we can see our alloy rims with Chevrolet badge center caps, Traverse badging in chrome, as well as paint match mirror caps and door handles. You can see our chrome lock and unlock buttons on those door handles as well. We have our rear privacy tint. And moving on around to the back, we have our Traverse all-wheel drive badging, as well as our LT badging featured in chrome, and our dual exhaust. Now moving on to the rear interior of the vehicle. On our door panel, we have our chrome door handle, window switch, as well as our speaker and storage. Back of the front seats, we have our magazine holders. And back of the center console area, we have our rear climate controls and charging outlets. Our rear seats, we have two 60/40 split benches. You can see the first one here with handles on the side to fold back. Then our far rear 60/40. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2021 Chevrolet Traverse. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.